Hey no home, I'm your host, Will and Cloud, and welcome to the unveil. No, hold up, you reached it right. This is the unveil video. This is where you see my new car. Obviously, that's not my new car. So, give me a minute, let me go get my car. It's somewhere around there. So this will be unveil of my new car. So get hype, get ready, and let's go. I'll go get it for you. Just for you. There you go. This is my new car. This is my used 2010 Mazda 6 Sport. As you can see, it's wide, it's big, and how I like it. It has plenty of space, has a hook, and has plenty of more of it, of going. So this one is my new car. So let's go in and I'll show you some cool features, some nice features I like, and let's do some drive-bys. Firstly, let's do some drive-bys and then I'll show you the features. Now then, let's start with the tour inside, shall we? It's a bit squeaky, just a tiny bit squeaky. Now, what you can see around. Firstly, let's put our seatbelt on, so the car doesn't scream at us for not wearing a seatbelt. You can see it's a little setup already. Here are my favorite parts, butt warmers. These warm butts in the mornings. Ah, lovely. And the best thing, how you start this car. Where's the key? Where's the key to put the key in? Well, neither do I have a key. What do you mean I have a key? As you can see, I don't have a key here. But what's here? What's down here? But as you can see, when you push, nope, I'm not starting. How about now? Yes, I am starting. Now, as you can see, it's all starting, it's all lovely, it looks all beautiful. In the dark, this ring around, it glows blue. Now, as you can see, radio entertainment, all the nice ones, the butt pleasures, the butt pleasure 2000, 6-speed manual, handbrake, cup holders. We have our money coinies thingy, some stacked money. We have large area to So shall we go for a drive? Shall we go for a good ride? You can see, beautiful. Where's the button? There's the button, it's there. And it switches all off. All nice and lovely. So there you go, guys. That's my new, used new car. So if you like this video and you like my car, of course smash the like button, subscribe, ring the notification bell. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye! Oh yeah, by the way, we haven't figured out the name for this car. So leave it in the comments down below, the name. What you think we should name this car. It won't be a Villainmobile, because the BMW was the Villainmobile. We won't repeat the names. So tell me in the comments below what you think. What kind of name should we give this one? Bye bye!